is for Shirley and Aga first. Obviously, si Atasha at si Andres ay improvement of the Mula Gonzalez family and clan. So curious lang ako, bakit hindi ito sunundan?
When we got married, even before we got married, we were talking about family, our kids, you know. And then parang out of the guys asked her, like, how many kids would you want to have? You know? Kasi it's not, just typical lang a boy and a girl, parang ako rin yun, sabi ko, gusto ko yung babae at isang lalaki. Parang ganun lang, o-fan na pag-usapan lang namin. And then, dumating na nga, aba, boy and girl, di ba? Nung sinabi nila sa akin, we were having twins, medyo nagulat pa ako. Kasi pag sa'yo nangyari pala yun, parang weird siya. Parang siyang hindi, parang kasi alam pag nabubuntis, that age na sa akin, parang isa lang yan eh, isa lang. Hindi mo isipin kambal, di ba? Parang freak sa akin, parang may kambal, parang, kaya nung sinabi ko, parang pagkakaroon tayo ng kambal, gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, identical ba yan? Gano'n. And then medyo for like a couple of seconds, medyo na-tense ako, parang may anak tayong dalawang magkamukha. Parang gano'n. And then my wife told me, no, it's dalawang sada, so fraternal twins siya. So, okay. So, gano'n. And then on her third month or fourth month, she had to check away. We had to check. Nakita niya yung may burger tsaka turtle. They say that, ano?
I think the parents will only know what that means. It's very technical.
Okay, sorry. Wala naman ako. Hindi naman kabasusan yun. It's just, ilang terms nila sa gano'n sa, it's like when we see the turtle, sa gender, the turtle and the burger. So gano'n. So, yun lang naman.
And if I may add, I think Aga and I really wanted one boy and sana one boy and one girl, and we were blessed with Natasha and Andres, and we just wanted to be able to have a small family para we could spend time. Gusto namin dun kami ni Aga sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat stage sa buhay nila. So we really wanted a small family so we could be really hands-on sa kanila.
Sino mas disciplinarian sa inyo dalawa? Sino yung mas spoiler? Sino yung mas disciplinarian?
I think si Aga pag nagsalita sa bahay, parang yun na yun eh. Parang nasa sumusunod. I think this is a better question for Natasha and Andres.
Yung totoo ha?
Natasha and Andres.
Sino mas disciplinarian? Sino mas spoiler? Your dad or your mom?
Same. I think they're both the same. Parehas pa rin in their own aspect. Parang kung sa bahay, same talaga.
Atasha ang safe, ha?
Siguro, same na lang. Na lang.
No, you know, you'd be surprised. Akala mo ako, ito ang disciplinaryo talaga.
Sa sure.
Yeah, mas stricto yan. Ako, masyado pa ako sa nila. Kaya lang, pagdating sa pagdidesisyon, I'm very firm naman ako sa kanila. Pag sinabi ko no, or get out, or you know, go, or like that, kailangan you follow. Pero in terms of, kumbaga, panagpapaalam sila, ako, like, go. Si Sherry pa yung, why? Where are you going? Oh, di ba? Oh, natatakot ako sa tayo dalawa. Pero tapos pagtagakala naman kami. Kasi kung anong desisyon ko, kailangan may approval din ni Sherry pagdating sa mga bata.
Who convinced you? Anong sinabi ni Andres at Natasha regarding sa pagka-artista? Na-convince kayo na, sige, let's give them this chance.
I think when we talked about it now, once they reach a certain age, the decision would have to come from them. And then one day, sinabi nila sa amin na they were interested in joining the entertainment
Does
business.
that surprise you?
Oo, yes. Actually, nagulat kami. But I think growing up, it was an environment na parang komportable sila because it was something that they were doing sa mga commercials and something that they saw Aga and I doing. So para sa kanila, I think it was, they were not intimidated by the world that they were entering, but I think they were curious at parang gusto nila. And growing up, they've always had yung parang meron artistic side talaga. So, Yeah, so the time is, when the time came, the right time came, sila na nag-decide na gusto nila.
I think it's very important also that it comes from them. Because like what I would always say, it's a tough job, mahirap na hanap buhay ito, and at least pag sila nag-desisyon at nahirapan sila, parang hindi ako ang nagsabi sa inyo, di ba? Kayo ang nagpili niyo. Kung ano man tahakin nila.
And we always express to them that parang respect and honor your work. It's hard work. It doesn't come easy. So parang you always have to continue to hone your craft and talent all the time.
Ayan, parang sinasabi ng mga minsan sa kanila yan.
Okay. For Atasha and Andres, meron ba kayong favorite movies ng mama at papa niyo? Na gusto nyo panoorin or someday you would like to, I hope I can do that as a role?
Tapos sabi mo yung pangarap mo, ano gusto mo?
Yung favorite movie ko ng nanay ko is Jezebel. Jezebel for sure. And for in regards to my dad, would have to be, mahirap yan kasi it's either kailangan kita or bagets.
Okay. Andres?
Para sa akin, my favorite movie, ang tatay ko ay, ano to, kailangan kita rin, pero Dubai.
Oh.
Dubai talaga. And
For your mom?
for my mom naman, the original mermaid, Jezebel. Kasi dati, nung bata kami, she used to always tell us na, oh, I'm really a mermaid, guys. So kami naman, we believed it.
Hindi ko sinasabi sa kanila na fake pala yun. So pinapanood ko sa kanila yung pelikulang Jezebel para maniwala sila na Jezebel talaga ako. Pero di pala.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Alvin. Our next question is from Ms. Lea Solterio of People's
Much convincing. We know eventually they will pursue showbiz, but did it take much convincing for them to appear with you in a sitcom this time around?
Ang sagot dito. Kasi alam mo masyadong, Lea, masyadong normal na usapan sa bahay talaga. Na minsan makugulat ka na nangyayari na. Kasi minsan, kasi parang kayo magkakasama talaga. Like sa kwarto, like now, especially now, like, nag-respect ako golf na rin. So, yun, alam na kami siya sa place golf also. Pag nasa dagat kami, sa bahay, nasa kwarto sila. Pag nag-gym kami, sabay-sabay kami sa gym namin, nag-workout kami, gano'n. So parang ang kwentuhan is casual na. Na mamaya konti, marirealize mo after nagtitiping na sila. Parang gano'n. Parang ang usapan ko sige, hanggang mamaya konti, magtitiping na tayo. Parang gano'n. Parang, kaya hindi pala yun. Yung press ko lang ni Atasha, yung launch niya. Parang, may launch na siya. Ay, bahala na siya, kaya na yan. Parang gano'n.
Pero may kaba.
Kinakabahan kaya ako, yun ang reaction ko na is, bahala na yan, kaya na yan. Kasi kinakabahan ko talaga eh. Si Shirley pinapanood talaga, babantayan niya yan. Oo. Binabantayan niya ako, hindi talaga rin ako. Parang nasa-stress ako. Biglang makikibalita na lang, okay na ka talaga. Okay. Ganun lang. So
It didn't take much convincing for them.
No, it was one talk lang, one time talk. And up to now naman nangyayari na yun, usap na yun, sinasabi ko ito na yung ginusto ninyo, nangyayari na. So don't take it for granted. Minsan kasi ang industriya natin masyadong mabilis. Hindi mo alam nandun ka na, hindi mo alam nagiging popular ka na. And then, minsan mamaya may mga taong biglang after what, tinataman. May sumpong, may gano'n. Yun na sinasabi ako sila na babantayan niyo parati yan. Kasi andyan na yan, ginusto niyo yan. Ngayon, nagkakaroon kayo ng pangalan, alagaan niyo na yan. Don't take that for granted. Kahit nakasaluha kayo ng mga nakakain sa trabaho, may mga ganyan, dumating kayo, maging maayos kayo, enjoy mo na parati yung trabaho niyo. Yun lang na parati kong paalala, parang gano'n lang. Tsaka huwag yung masyadong seryoso ngayon. Meaning, seryoso na yung nangyayari sa mundo natin. Tama yun na. Masaya lang.
Can we hear from the mom?
So going back to your question, if it took much convincing,